morning. Namaste. Why namaste? Yes, it is necessary. As we are Indians, it's our culture and we should not forget our culture. Fine. This is my first video, so I would like to start with my introduction. Myself, Hina Vyas from Gujarat. I am a coordinator in VD Maheshwari International School, as well as I used to take tuitions. I would like this is my profession and I love my profession. So whatever you like, you should just go in that way, or you can say as like you should grab it. You would like to work in it. Fine. So why I have started preparing videos. This is my small contribution to poor families who are not able to get good education, right? As well as to my nation, as I am attached to my nation. I love my India. Fine. So today I would like to start with a grammar topic, that is tenses. Tenses. Don't worry, it is very easy, but you need to understand the things rather than mugging it up. Okay? Fine. So tenses. Fine. Tenses. There are three main type of tenses. First one, present tense. Second one, past tense. And the third one is future tense. Fine. Future tense. Okay. So as you can see, first one is present tense. Now first of all, understand what is present tense. Present tense. The things which you do regularly, that all comes under present tense. For example, I go to school daily. I go to school daily. That is the first example. Fine. Another one is I used to brush at 8 o'clock. I take my dinner at 9 p.m. Fine. So these are the things which I used to do on regular basis. Fine. Some more things are there. Which one? Habitual activities. Habitual activities means they are that activities which are by default to be done at the regular interval. Fine. For example, some people have the habit to have their lunch at 2 o'clock. At that time, biologically, it is like when it is 2 o'clock now, they will find that something is running in the tummy. Hai na? So they are habitual to it. Fine. One more thing is there. Universal truth. Fine. Universal truth. It is a big spelling now. Don't worry at all. Okay. So universal truth means what? Natural activities such as sun. The sun rises in the east. That is daily. That is to be done daily basis. It doesn't forget its duty, and we don't have to remind it that oh sun, उठो, तुम्हें उठने का time हो गया है. No, you don't have to do this. He knows कि कब उठना है, कब जाना है. Fine. वो human beings के जैसा नहीं होता है. Fine. So the sun rises in the east. That is universal truth. So you can't change it. Fine. Another one, yes, earth. Our earth. ठीक है? The earth revolves around the sun. Fine. So it is also a universal truth. You can't change it. Fine. So present tense. Let's have some Hindi also. तो थोड़ा समझ में भी आएगा. Sometimes ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश हो गया, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ. तो प्रेजेंट टेंस, जो एक्टिविटीज आप डेली बेसिस पे करते हो वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में आता है. जैसे कि मैं खाना खाती हूँ, मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, मैं मेरा होमवर्क करती हूँ. यस. सन, सूर्य हमेशा ईस्ट. ईस्ट का मतलब पूर्व. हाँ, ईस्ट में उगता है. राइट. सेट कहाँ करता है वो? वेस्ट में करता है. सो ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज कम्स अंडर प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो ये वाले जो पोर्शंस है वो हम नेक्स्ट वाले वीडियो में समझेंगे. आज हम जाते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस के लिए. फाइन. प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके. नाउ there are 2 to 3 rules that are very easy and which can be understood easily. First one, whenever you are writing anything or you are like filling blanks regarding present tense, you have to focus on the person. Person means the main subject which is doing the work. Like as you know the structure of the sentences, it is subject, verb and object. Okay, subject. What is subject? Subject is the person or anything which used to do some work. For example, myself. Hina cooks food. Hina खाना बनाती है, तो हिना वो काम कर रही है ना, तो that is subject. Fine. वो क्या कर रही है? खाना पकाती है. Fine. So पकाती है, cooks. That will be verb. Fine. और वो क्या पकाती है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने ये जो आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया, दैट इज हीना कुक्स फूड. तो जो फूड है दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. फाइन. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. Daivik plays football in evening. Okay, like he is playing football every day at the same time and the same game. वो उसका daily activity हो चुका है. Fine. So this was one more example. Yes, there is one more example too. As I have already mentioned it, the sun rises in the east. Fine. The sun, that is object. Okay, what it does, it rises, that is verb. Where does it rises? In the east. It will be object. So whenever you are framing sentences in English, you have to follow this one: subject plus verb plus object. Subject is the person or the thing which used to do work. Whatever work is done, that is verb, and on which thing it is done, that will be object. Fine. Let's understand some more things about it. Okay. First of all, how would we know that it is a present tense? So there are some things which tell us, like which whisper us. Fine. So that is daily, every day, often, seldom, and so on. Fine. These are known as time telling words. Whenever you see such words in a sentence, it is definitely present tense. Fine. Now another rule. Another rule is that, as I have already emphasized on the word, that subject. Fine. If your subject is singular, आपका जो काम कर रहा है वो singular है, at that time you have to apply a rule. What is that rule? That if your subject is singular, fine, अकेला है, at that time whatever verb is with you, you have to add s or es with it. How? Let's see. He. Can you tell me? He is singular or plural? Oh yes, he is singular. Fine. Now for example, you are given go. It is a singular. Now it's go. That is your verb. So as per the above rule, it is singular. So you have to add s or es. There are rules when we have to add s or es. I will let you know later. So as per this, we have to add this one, es. So it will be go plus es, that is goes. He goes temple every morning. Okay, fine. Let's take an example of our mother. Mother do. What do you mean by do? Do means to do, means काम करना, कुछ भी काम करना. Fine. Mother do household chores. Yes. ममा घर का सब करते हैं, है ना, बाय डिफॉल्ट. सो ममा घर का सारा काम करते हैं. ओके ओके. सो ममा घर का सारा काम करते हैं. एज यू नो दैट मदर, दैट इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सो एज पर दैट, sorry, singular subject, not verb. Yes, mother subject है, that is a singular subject. Now you have to add something to it. Now here is do. Now if you have some little bit intelligence, you will find out that here it was O, so we have added es. Yes, similarly here is O, so you will add es, so it will be does. Mother does household chores. Fine. Fine. I think this is the introduction video now, so it is enough now. Next time we'll see some more interesting topics. And yes, one more thing I would like to tell, that whenever we go through some videos on YouTube, some people used to ask, please like my video, please subscribe my video. But if you like that video, you don't have to like listen him. It's like you can say वो अंदर से आ जाता है कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली लाइक हो जाता है. तो प्लीज जो भी यूट्यूब के चैनल जो भी देखते हैं ये, नेवर आस्क फॉर दैट एंड नेवर बैक फॉर दैट. अगर आपका वीडियो अच्छा होगा तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली लाइक या सब्सक्राइब कर ही देगा. यस, थैंक यू.